could take that panel off, but there's no way for me to remove it from all the copper tubing being in the way. For some reason, there's water sitting in the tray. I don't know what that is. Why is that there? You can see there's a drain pipe here. I recently just had the ductwork cleaned, and they put this flimsy cover over these holes. Let's see what we have here. See, that's the filter. Huh. It doesn't look real bad. So I'm going to put an AC coil cleaner and take a garden hose and spray water through it. Professional grade foaming solvent coil cleaner. I got this from Lowe's. Protects coils with built-in corrosion inhibitors. Thoroughly degreases and cleans with safe foaming action. Used throughout the year for regular DIY maintenance. Saves energy. Clean units operates more efficiently. Self-rinsing on condensate producing coils, indoor, outdoor. Well, anyway, I'm gonna use a garden hose. I'm gonna spray it out. You check that out. All right, well, I just sprayed that coil cleaner a minute ago, and let's see if it's penetrating going all the way through. I see a little bit, not much. I expected it to be dripping through, bleeding through the fins. I don't know. I'm no professional. I'm just doing this to save a buck. Yeah, I see a little bit. And the bottom, it's dry, so. All right, let it sit for 15 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes, and I see no more foam. And I see nothing down here in the bottom, dry. So let's take a water hose. Yeah, I can hear it hitting the bottom. Alright, let's check it out. Yeah, you can see the water. So what I'm going to do, set up the shop vac and proceed with rinsing it out with the hose.